Here's Coach, good afternoon, Bridge 5829, 7000, and we're not on the start.
Bridge 5829 approach, Roger, altimeter 3003, were you just given present heading?
03, and no, we're crank, shaft, stacked, and then direct, so just wanted to give you that heads up, we have kilo 5829.
Bridge 5829, you'll have vectors before Sparta for the ILS 22 left, and kilo is current.
Roger, and Roger, Bridge 5829. Approach 5829.
Who's calling?
5829, just glider half a mile behind. We probably got within 200 feet, no transponder.
5829, thank you. And Bridge 5829 for that glider, was he above or below you at 200?
200 feet below us, and laterally 200 feet. I think our total distance was probably within 500 feet of that glider.
I'm sorry, it was vertical 200 and then lateral 500?
500 would be like our total distance to that aircraft, and 200 below I would estimate. So yes, it's 20.
Because 5829, turn left heading 170, direct to pattern when able.
170, direct pattern when able, bridge 5829.
Bridge 5829, maintain 180 knots or greater till buzz, contact tower.
180 or greater buzz over the target at bridge 5829.
Yeah.
Tower Hill, bridge 5829, ILS 22 left.
Go 5829, Newark Challenge 26810, gust 18, runway 22 left, go to land, caution rate 0, and previous departure heavy, previous arrival heavy Boeing 767.
22 left, clear to land, copy, bridge 5829.
Bridge 5829, additional traffic, 1 o'clock, 3 miles, same direction, helicopter on the west side of the final at below 800.
We'll be keeping bridge 5829.
Bridge 5829, turn left, Papa to Victor, hold short of runway 22 right.
Papa Victor, short 22 right, bridge 5829.
Bridge 5829, caution try to Victor, contact ground point 8, they have a phone number for you to call, approach wants to talk to you.
Runway 22 right, clear to land at Victor, and we'll let you know, bridge 5829.
Yeah, just contact ground point 8, they have a phone number for you.
Alright, ground point 8, 5829. Ground Victor 5829, crossing Victor.
5829, Newark Airways taxi, be straight ahead, and when you get a chance, I have a phone number for you.
Straight ahead, 5829, ready to go.
5829, this number is for approach control. They want more information about the glider that you see. So, number is